Hello, Marex World, and welcome. So here we are, about a year and a half into Marex entering the US market. Now, Marex has been designing and building luxury family cruising boats for 53 years. And in 53 years, you learn a lot. We were unsure when it came to entering the US market, but here's the beauty of that. Over the years, the boats in the US market have evolved. We've gone heavily to outboards and other day boat usage designs. There wound up being a gap, and that gap was the premium inboard diesel boat designed for family use, whether it be family day boating or family cruising, weekends or even weeks on end. In March of 2025, we brought our first 3 Marex boats to the US, and it was at the Palm Beach Boat Show. And that was starting on a Thursday. By Sunday, they had all sold. And that trend continued. And the American market embraced the Marex brand. We then started to hear from the boaters and from the sales teams talking to boaters that Marex is the new favorite American family boat. So we're very grateful for that. We look forward to many more years of selling in the United States and matching Americans with a phenomenal premium family cruising boat that has an excellent lineage for 53 years.